nikireketie kwihanda themwe na nuthu kwa Muthingi TV na gagucokeria ngatho we mwiroreri ni undu wanyitaniri waku twiko tukimurika maria makunukite muthenya wa umuthi nigetwo wa ngari wa Njoroge. Ge wa Sirisia niwe John Waluhe mena Grace Wahungu ni matwereirwo miaka 67 njera-ini kana marihe faini ya bilioni 1 no ni thutha wa cira wao wa ungumania gutuo ni igoti rinene muthenya wa umuthi agitua itua riri mucirithania Esther Maina nyoigire itua riri ni rikinyaniru kuringana na mahitia ma mubunge uyu. Niati maafitha o hamwe na ikari a itura ria Ole Kasasi ni kuonga Tarongai kaunti-ini ya Kajiado ni masinite katoni 82 cia njohi cifango o ta uria mwandiki witu na niwe Mwangi wa Murugi aratariria.
Aikari hamwe na honge cia ugitiri kaunti-ini ya Kajiado ni manyitanĩire mihango-ini ya guthukangia njohi itakinyanirie ikiro katoni 82 iria irahithukirio itura-ini ria Ole Kasasi onga Tarongai. Agikira ndeto ino mukode munini wa county commissioner gicigo-ini giki Patrick Mwangi augite njohi ino na iria itakinyanirie ikiro irahithukirio thutha wa aikari a itura riri gukunyira honge cia ugitiri kuria marekinyiria haria irendagirio mwendia wayo agithara.
Ni Patrick Mwangi, Deputy County Commissioner Kajiado North Sub County. Leo tuko hapa Ole Kasasi Police Post within Ongatarongai Police Station area. Mahali tumekuja kuharibu pombe haramu ambayo tulikamata juzi. Tumekamata pombe boxes 82 pombe haramu ambayo ilipatikana watu wakija kuuza hapa mtaani Ongatarongai.
Akiaria mihango-ini ino ya guthukangia njohi, Mwangi ni augite ati ni meheanite gutigirira endia a njohi cia ifango hamwe na ndawa cia kulevya matikuheo kamweke gutwarithia na mbere biacara ino. Ageikia ritana kuri aikari othe kunyitanira niguo kuhukia biacara ino.
Kile tu nitahimiza wananchi ni kwamba tuwe masho. Tumekuwa hapa na vijana wetu ambao wanafanya kazi ya bodaboda, chairman wao wako hapa na wale vijana wake na tumekubaliana nao wawe good ambassador.
Mwena-ini wake kamanda wa borithi kaunti-ini ya Kajiado ya Rugongo Joakim Mogere ni agathiririe aikari ni unyitaniri wao hari bara igi njohi cia ifango akihinyiriria bata wa muingi kuhura ripoti mategwitigira.
Jina naitwa Mr. Joakim Mogere Mecha. Mimi ndiye Sub County Police Commander Kajiado North. Tuliweza kupata habari kutoka wananchi wa hii area ambaye kuna pombe ambayo wana suspect ambaye sio pombe haramu. Uoga mtupe habari ni confidence. Niko na staff hapa, niko na timu yangu ya askari pia ngao. Tuko timamu, tuko tayari 24 hours kusaidia na kuondoa pombe kama hii ambaye sio mzuri kwa wananchi.
Wendia wa njohi cia ifango ni ukoretwo withi na munene icigo-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini uria ucungiriire mioyo mingi kura hamwe na angi magitigwo moritwo ni hinya wa kuona. Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV njitagwo Mwangi wa Murugi.
Foti njega ya mundu gwitwo Mwangi wa Murugi na tukehoka ati bareo ya njohi ni gukindirwo makiria na tugithia na mbere ni ati guku kiama kia arimu bururi-ini nikio TSC magitugiria thirikari njeru ni makinya maria yoete maguthurima mutaratara mweru wa githomo wa CBC ni moritie mugathe Dagitari William Ruto kumahingiria kirikaniro kiria amerire ati ni kwandika arimu 58,000 niguo kunyihanyihia unyihu wa arimu bururi-ini uria nginyaria riu ukinyeire 118. Oho no moretie anene a ciama ngurani gukinyaniria wandiki wa arimu nginya matura-ini.
I remember when Kenya Kwanza was launching its education charter. His Excellency the President did give me a signed copy of that charter. I would like to take this opportunity to remind him that in the charter, which he signed and handed over to me, he promised that in the first financial year, he will employ half of the shortfall. The shortfall was 116,000 teachers. Half of it is 58,000 teachers. I'll be looking forward, Your Excellency, for the first employment of the 58,000 teachers that you promised in that.
I think we heard some good news today about the commitment to cover the gap of the 50% for teacher shortage. This is excellent news indeed, and I hope that it will also be translated on the ground nicely with nice also deployment policies where we can see also teachers incentivized to go to Assal region, to go to remote areas, to go to areas where children need them most.
Population of women or ladies in the TTCs, in the teaching profession is more than that one of men, but we are encouraging them. And especially to note is the fact that even in ECD, we have men who have come passionately to take in and be trained as early childhood education trainers and teachers. Unlike in the past where there was a notion like ECD is for women, no, we have moved from there, we have embraced the aspect of inclusion is cutting all sides. We have
hau mweno ni kujitikira tuikerie o hanini no ndugathi hara ya toni turacokereria na riboti ingi.
Cheza loto, leo ni leo. Changamka cheza.
Kumbuka kwamba kesho hii gari inaweza kuwa yako. Unakuwa promoted kutoka kuwa passenger, alafu unakuwa promoted unakuwa dereva mwenyewe. Unagocha nini? Probox inaenda kesho.
Over 18s only. Gaming can be addictive. Play responsibly. This message has been approved by the BCLB.
Changamka cheza loto.
Hi there, marito makwa ni Magi Wambogo. Muthenya wa umothe ndoka kumurehera project ito ire twinayo Njero na Nyuki ireto Great Oasis Gardens na Nyuki, na project ino irokitetwo ndagika 10 tu kuma Cedar Mall. na tore direct opposite Mount Kenya Wildlife Estate at Olpajeta. Ningĩ tũhutĩtie barabara ya Nanyuki Rumuruti Road na barabara ĩno nĩ gwĩkĩrwo rami nĩ thirikari. Koguo wona wa invest thĩinĩ wa project ĩno gũka kuma taũni ya Nanyuki kana kuma Rumuruti kũrĩa ũrĩkoragwo kiuma nĩ ndagĩka nini mũno gũkinya project-inĩ ĩno. Nĩ tũratanya gũkorwo na GMC Entertainment Center tere tukoragwo nayo Kitengela, ni turatanya ukorwo na police post, ni turatanya ukorwo na kiwanja gya ciana gya guthakira playing ground, na ni turatanya ukorwo na community ground. Na wona wa invest thĩinĩ wa project ĩno maundu mamwe maria tureka thĩinĩ wa project ĩno ni tugwaka itangi nigetha project ĩno yothe tuka make sure ati andu aria mara invest hari mai ni marakorwo makiflow. And then undu ũngĩ tureka ni turekira bara ici maraming, twasheka maraming nigetha ukahota ku access project ĩno live, ukahota ku access plot ya kuraithi, na twina caretaker thĩinĩ wa project ĩno uria urakorwo ku 24/7. Maundu maria ungihota gwika thĩinĩ wa project ĩno no uhote gwaka nyumba ici cia holiday homes, no uhote gwaka mall, no wake apartments. Then undu uria ungi ningi mwega muno wa project ĩno ni gukorwo atiriri tondu ihutitie barabara ĩno ya Nanyuki Umuruti Road, no uhote gwaka petrol station. Phase iria twina cio thĩinĩ wa project ĩno ri twina 8 cia 50 by 100, twina quarters cia 100 by 100, twina no ugure nuthu eka, no ugure eka, no ugure eka idano. Namba yakwa ni +254 722 355 107. Goko activate tukauga tigane inywe tutigikinyete ha tukinyete na tukamucokeria ngatho muno na nitumutete na niturauga ati Ngai amurathime na arathime wira wa moko manyu. Thank you so much. God bless you.
nyingi ni guthii na mbere kunyitania na ithuĩ mũtambũrũko-inĩ wa mohoro ma hwainĩ gũkũ kwa Muthingi TV. Riu tukimurika kuria kaunti ya Naikuru ni ati arimi kuma Naikuru ni macokereirie mihango ya urimi, uhaririria na uigi wa irio cia mahiu na makiria ariri ng'aragu igumire bururi o ta njira imwe ya kuhonia mahiu mao. Mubango uyu no utanyitwo kuhura njeki arimi aya o ta uria riboti ino ya mwandiki witũ Mwangi wa Murugira atariria.
Ni mihango-ini ya uhaririria na uthondeki wa irio cia mahiu mao, mihango iri arimi a kuma kaunti ya Naikuru itura ria Lanet macokereirie na kumihimbiria ari ta njira imwe ya kuhurana na unyihu wa irio cia mahiu mao. Maya mokite o riri arimi aingi amuno a mahiu mathiete na mbere gutara hathara kuma na mahiu mao gukua thutha wa kwaga gia kuria uria ucungiriirwo ni riũa inene riria rigomeire icigo nyingi guku bururi-ini. Arimi aya matiganĩirie uthondeki na uigi uyu wa irio cia mahiu mao kumana na kwaga mbura ya kuigana, magitetia mathogora ma iguru ma irio cia mahiu maria mathiete na mbere kugomera arimi aingi guku bururi-ini.
Hii silage tunatengeneza saa hii inatusaidia sana upande ya mifugo. Tunaisiaga mwezi ya 10 ama 9 inaenda mpaka mwaka hiyo jine. Sasa tunapendelea kukua tukifanya hii kazi ya ukulima na ya ng'ombe na kukata silage. Kulingana na James Kamau uria ni umwe wa arimi aya ni augite riũa inene riria rigomeire icigo nyingi cia bururi ni rithararitie urimi wa mahiu arimi aingi magicungirirwo guthii hathara. Mihango ino ni itanyitwo kuhurana na unyihu wa irio na kuhura njeki urimi wa mahiu. Anjoki uria ni murimi kuma Lanet akiuga mihango ino ni iguteithia hanene hari wagi wa irio hindi ya riũa.
Wa mifugo kama ng'ombe, mbuzi. Kwa saa hii huu msimu huku area za Nakuru ndivyo tunaweka silage in preparation for the dry season. Huwa tuna experience from up mid December to late March. So tuna saa hii tuko katika hii hali ya kutengeneza silage.
Wakulima wengi wamekuwa wakisiaga silage na ndio wakati ikifika wakati ya Januari hawatasumbuka sana na chakula.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, njitagwo Mwangi wa Murugi.
Gatho cia mwanya mundu ugwitwo Mwangi wa Murugi na riu riboti ningi ni ati Bengi ya Stanchart ni nyitanire na gikundi kia andu aria mari na mawathe bururi-ini na magaikia ihoya kuri andikani kuhitukira mubango wa Future Makers. Arugamiriri a bengi ino ni moretie andikani mahe andu aria mari na mawathe mawira matari na nganja ni kuona onao no marute wira mukinyaniru na uyiririki.
Don't look at the disability, look at the performance of those you bring on board. If they don't perform, warudi kwa mama nyumbani. If they perform, reward them. But let us give opportunities, because I know, disability or no disability, there are very, very high performers out there with special needs.
An inclusive world is good for each and every individual in this particular room. So again, my rallying call, everyone who is here, who is an employer, kindly reach out to us and we'll let you know how you can join KBDN. The more, the merrier. That's something that we are looking forward to.
At the most marginalized, and we find that the youth, and especially youth with disability and girls, and adolescent girls for that matter, or even like small-scale businesses, there's a big gap. So we came and asked, where can we make a difference? Hence the Future Makers initiative, which looks at employability, it looks at entrepreneurship, and it looks at education. So this is one of the pillars then that we are honing on to see what difference can we make.
Hiring people with disabilities is not the right thing to do. It is the logical thing.
Na ripoti ya mubango mwega muno wa Bengi ya Stanchart niratukujira mutaburuko witu wa Mohoro ma Hwai-Ini guku kwa Muthingi TV gaicokeria ngatho o ringi ni gwitikira kunyitanira nanie na gakwendithĩria utuko mwega ni njitagwo Wangari wa Njoroge.